How to delete your Ubisoft account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Ubisoft account. Now the process is actually quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. All you want to do is you want to open up your Ubisoft app, and once you open it, there you want to make sure you're logged into your account that you want to delete. Now once you're logged in, let this load up. Now as you know, logging in might take some time. Here what you want to do is at the screen you can see various options at the bottom. What you want to do is you want to tap on the profile option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Simply tap on profile option and let it load up. Once it loads up, at the top right corner you can see the gear icon there. Simply tap on the gear icon there, and once you tap on gear icon, at the support you can see the last option, delete my Ubisoft account. Simply tap on that option and it will take you to another page where it'll ask you to log into your account. Now what you want to do is you want to enter in your login details and you want to log into your account. In my case, I've already logged in previously, so it won't ask me to log in again. But here you can see close your Ubisoft account. What you want to do is you want to tap on the tick mark at the box here. I have read the above information and I want to continue closing my Ubisoft account. Make sure to tick mark here, and once you do so, you can see the close my account option will turn red, and if you tap on close my account, you'll be able to close your account. So this way you can delete your Ubisoft account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.